Hey guys, welcome back. Today in part 2 of our SwiftUI series, we will actually we learn how we can, have stacks and also customize image in our view. And you will find how easily you can do it. So first of all, we jump to Xcode, and here I create a new project. So single view app, and here I name it Swift UI, and then stacks, and also images or image. Stacks are one of the most important subject in our view. Actually, now we do auto layout with stacks in SwiftUI, and that's it. It's pretty easy forward, tools for you to organize, items in your screen. So here you will see as soon as we make a brand new project, we will have one hello world one. So this is ours, and as we learned before, we can click here, and here we can customize this by command click, but now I want to add one stack. I have a couple options. The first option, I can do it with text. For now, I'm not gonna do that because I want you learn how to work with ID, and you will see right away, text edit, and then later you will do it all on text, and you don't have to come here. So what I do, I'll just click on this hello world in my canvas, and then command click on this. Here I have the option to embed in to H stack, which is the horizontal stack, and V stack, which is a vertical stack. For now, I put it in one vertical, and here you will see I have my text inside one V stack. So if I want to do by code, I just come here and I write down text and my other text. But I want to do it with IDE, so I come to this plus, and here open this library. Here I just looking for text, and I can drag this here. So I have now my second text here. So what I do, I change my first text to rock, and my second one to Joshua Tree National Park. And now I'm gonna add some fonts. I do one of them with ID, so command click on this, and here I just can come show UI inspector, and in my UI inspector I change font to title. And this one could be subtitle, but this one I'll do it by command, because you saw how easy it's gonna be here. Here I just say fonts and dot subtitle. Okay, now I want to add one edge stack. So I come here, and in my V stack actually I want to add one horizontal stack. So here I come and I can add edge horizontal stack. Yeah, horizontal stack. But I want to do with embed as well, show you how, and I can drag it here, but I want to do it with ID. So command here, command click, and here I can say embed in HStack. Let's see what will be output. Yeah, it's put it, drop it inside the one HStack, but this is not what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna click Command Z, and here, I want to I'll do drag my HStack here, horizontal stack. So I drag it here. Sorry. Here. Okay, now I have my HStack here. But I want this HStack with Joshua Tree National, so I can bring this inside my HStack as well. So I will cut this and put it here. Okay, now I can add text. So this content, I just say text, which gonna be my other text here, and it's gonna be California. Okay, and so California, I just give it a font, a subheadline as well. Here we go. Okay, now it's time to using padding modifier to give landmark, name and details, more space. So here I just say padding. So it gave this padding. Also, between these two I want to put some space, so here I just write spacer. Here we go. And for my V stack I can give attribute as well. Again, here I can do it with with ID, or I can come here right away, and here I put parentheses, and here I just write alignment dot leading. I don't want the rest. Here we go. So you'll see how it's now it's gonna be. I think we are good now. We have this in good shape. So now it's time for me to add image and show you how you can easily customize, have a customized image. So step one, adding image, we will go to assets. In assets, we need to drag one image, so I'll go to Finder and I have this image here. You will see at 2x, which make it to sit in the 2x size for me. You can do it inside the asset as well, but for now I'm gonna drop this here and you will see directories come here. But if I don't use name over there, at sign 2x, I can just put it here in 2x myself. Okay, so now I have my image here. Then step 2, I'll go to file, new, and file open template. So, or I can click on this, but I won't go here, file, new, and here I can file this file, and then here I choose Swift UI. SwiftUI template interface when I type here, or if I don't type, I can come down in user interface, SwiftUI. In past we keep using view, now we use SwiftUI view. So I use SwiftUI view, and then I need to name it. For example, I just name it circle image. Then what it do for me, it create one circle image .swift file for me. So if I come to this file, you will see I again have same format for main view I had, and here in this SwiftUI, instead of text, I will put one image. And my image, let me read some this for you, and it failed, so I cannot have it there. Let me command Z, I want to go via this. Okay, so try again. I click here, I can add image here like this. And this image I can do all changes here, or I can do it myself. So I put image name here, which was my image in assets. So yeah, here we go. As soon as I do it correctly, it will show up here. Then I want to, for example, make it circle image. So here I just say dot clip shape, and in this shape I just say circle. Then you'll see it's circle now. Then we can add some more change on this. So I just say overlay circle. So I put another circle on it. So right now it's put one black circle on this, but I make this more customized. So I just say stroke, and in stroke I give it for example, color dot gray. So I did one, outside, with one gray around this, gray circle around this image I have. Even I can add shadow. Dot shadow radius like 7. For my stroke I can add more detail here, like how thick you want to be, but for now it's good enough. And I can make for example this one to white. But I want to add that image here. For adding, I just select my VStack, and I put this VStack inside another VStack. So here I just say command click embed in VStack. So I put it in another VStack, and on top of my VStack I put my image. Easily I just call that custom view that which I made, and here you are. I have my image sitting here, and now this is my output for this app. Later we will work to add map and other details, but that's it for today for this video. It's time to push this in GitHub to share it with you guys, but if you look at here in this screen, there will be one eye that direct you to one video that show you how you can add a project with command line, but I'm gonna do this with Xcode. So in Xcode easily first of all I need to have my GitHub added in Xcode preference, and then I can come in this second tab here, which is the source control navigator, and here I'll come to this setting and I just say create you stack image remotely. If I don't have my GitHub assigned here, then you may get a warning that you need to add one, but I advise you be in advance that you go to Xcode and preference, sorry, in your Xcode preference, and add or even you in your in Xcode preference you can add your GitHub account. So come here Then I just say create remote, and this easily asks me what kind of remote you want. So basic information. It will create that one for us. And then easily I'll go to source control and to commit, and here I will have all of file of this project, include my image in assets, and here I write my commit comment. So init commit for this project, Swift UI stack image, something like this. I can click check mark push here, then it not only it's gonna commit it, it's gonna push it for me. And yeah, this is available for you guys in GitHub now. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and please, if you have any question, any issue, or any request, you are always welcome, and you can leave it in comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and watch other video. Have a good one. Bye bye.